Empathy is at the heart of design. Without the understanding of what others see, feel, and experience, design is a pointless task. When communicated in a constructive manner, empathy can be truly inspirational and life-changing. It can bring out the true scale and complexity of the challenge of understanding a complex social situation in order to design a system that supports various needs. At the core, empathy focuses on human values at every stage of the process. And that's why empathy for the people for whom you are designing is fundamental to this process. Design thinking is a human-centered methodology for fostering creativity and tackling complex problems through innovative solutions, and empathy is vital for this process. The foundation of empathetic design is observation, and the goal is to identify latent customers' needs in order to create products that the customers don't even know they desire, or in some cases, solutions that customers have difficulty envisioning due to lack of familiarity with the possibilities offered by new technologies or because they are locked in an old mindset. Empathetic design relies on observation of consumers as opposed to traditional market research, which relies on consumer inquiry with the intention to avoid possible biases in surveys and questions, and minimizes the chances that consumers will provide false information. Empathy in the design thinking is a powerful component to the analytical phase of the entire process. Understanding the perspective of your customer and using that understanding to guide your action is exactly how empathy is used in design thinking. In the design thinking process, before you jump to solutions, you should start with building empathy for the big lot of people for whom you are designing. Say, for example, after opening a food chain, you immediately decide that you must have a mobile app, or in another case, after talking to few happy customers at the movie hall, you decide to completely transform the sitting arrangements from comfortable chairs to recliners. Although these are very good ideas to enhance customer experience, but it might not be what exactly a customer might be looking for. Say, in the first scenario, the majority of the customers will probably be more happier with reduced delivery time than app usage. Or in the second scenario, the majority of the customers might be looking for easy ticketing experience than recliners. You engage with and observe those people and understand their needs and what is important to them before you even talk about your end product or solution, let alone implementation. Design thinking never relies solely and exclusively on empathy to solve problems and make choices. It is rather one of the essential tools in the design thinker's toolbox, which is the first phase as well as integral part of a larger, systematic, integrated process that combines both qualitative and analytical tools. Empathy is the first step in the design thinking because it is a skill that allows us to understand and share the same feeling that others feel. Through empathy, we are able to put ourselves in the other people's shoe and connect with how they might be feeling about their problem, circumstances, or situation. Here are few of the questions you must consider when empathetically engaging with your customers. First, what is the person feeling? Second, what actions or words indicate these feelings? Third, can you identify their feelings through words? Fourth, what words would you use to describe their feelings? These are just some of the guided questions that you can use to identify problem or how your customers are feeling about it. We will discuss this in detail in our Define section of this course.